Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, this is going to hopefully be a really quick one. So with this 3-inch lift, I'm obviously trying to be as comprehensive as possible. Now I've done my upper control arms in the front, I've done my diff drop, so I can safely have more down travel without risking my CVs. However, I still have my factory bump stops in the way of more down travel. So what I've got today is some shortened bump stops for the front end, so that is going to allow more down travel for the IFS front. So good grief. So it should be really nice and simple. It should be a 2-minute video. Let's jump into it and I'll show you guys the new pieces. These here are the bump stops. Now these cost me, like I said, $22 from Online Auto Parts. They're a Polytough suspension. Polytough is the brand, I think. So I'm going to take them out of the bag and I'm going to show you guys the old one right now, because I actually whilst investigating how to do it, accidentally ripped off the old one, which has now prompted me to film this video. That is the old bump stop. Obviously there would have been a little piece that would clip in, but that's also fallen through the bottom end. So let's we'll take these new ones out and we'll actually see how much more travel we're going to get, or just how much shorter these are. Okay, so as you can see, that's the old one. It's pretty dirty. These are the newies. Now I anticipate, from my my view, that these are about 20 centimeters. About 20 millimeters in height, and these seem to be about 15 from what I can see and from what I can show you. So 5 mils, but realistically what that translates to I'm not sure, but it is going to give us 5 mil more room at the bump stop for a little bit of extra travel. And for 20 bucks you might as well get everything you can out of that 3-inch lift, because we paid that much for it already. So let's chuck these things in and I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. Should be really nice and simple, and I will start with this side because I've actually already kind of broken the first one off. Whoops. So whilst there's probably a better way to go about this, I'm going to go with the pull up and start to twist method, which worked okay for the first one. Yep. So I've just quickly given it a bit of a lather with WD-40, actually Enox. So now I'm just going to do a little bit of convincing. There we are. So you can see there that is that one in. I'm just going to quickly pop over to the other side, and that's all done. It's as easy as that. It's like the easiest thing you can install on any car. It's so easy. So just to show you guys that again, a little bit of Enox or whatever you'd like. Big old pry bar. There we are. There's a bit of a pop there when it goes in. All done. So that there is the new bump stop in. How easy is that? That's like the easiest thing I've ever done to this car, and nothing went wrong. And that's it. That's literally it. 22 bucks on eBay. Like I said, I measured up to about 5 millimeters shorter than the original bump stop. So, like I said, if you're going to spend all that money on a 3-inch lift, suspension lift, you might as well spend an extra 20 bucks and get a little bit more down travel out of it. So that's it from me today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube. Hit that bell button, you'll get a notification every time I post a video. And plenty more to come. I'll see you guys in the next video.